Good morning, children. I am Bhaskar, your social teacher from 10th class. We have completed already 3 chapters, 2 chapters in geography, 1 chapter in history, 13th chapter, World War between World War. Today we have go to the read about the 14th chapter, very important chapter, World between the wars. The period 1900 to 1950, part 2. It is a link of the 13th chapter. We know about the first 13th chapter, World Wars. Why we call the World Wars? Almost all countries are participated either directly or indirectly in the war. Many countries are participated, many destroying, and also more destroying of the countries are economically and physically more. Humans are dead, many persons are died in this. There are many causes are caused in the World War I and World War II. World War started 1914 to 18 continued. Then after Second World War 1939 to 1945 it was over. In this middle period, 1917, the Russia withdrew the war of First World War. Why? Why the Russia withdrew the First World War? Russia faced the internal problems in the period of 1917. That's why Russia had returned and withdraw the war and to the country. So, what is the situation 1930? 17. Russia is a vast country. It can extend the Asia and Europa continent. More important, how the country followed after the First World War. Why the country had returned back of the World War I. So, the internal problems, the Russian society has divided the 3 parts. Before we are going to read about in the previous class, first revolution in 1905, revolution. The Russian rulers are called as Tsars. In the period of 1917, Tsar Nicholas II was ruling the country. He is one of the cruel person. The Russian society has divided 3 parts. Kings, nobles and peasants are labor, banded labor. Few people are enjoyed and more people, peasants are banded labor, they are not enjoyable in the society. The country has followed the more feudalism. The land ownership by some few people. In this situation, the Russian society, low class people are suffering people want a need of to some of the power. So in this situation, there is some internal revolutions are occurring in the country. In the period of Nicholas II, few persons or organizations are against the fight for that revolted government or Nicholas II. In first attempt, the communist people or other people, they have fight to the government or George Nicholas II. And first of all, one is the February Revolution. In 1917, February, some people or some organizations broken that revolution in the country. They have reached thrown of the power of the Nicholas II. Then after 1917, another change is coming in the Russian society, the captured power by the Lenin in this revolution. So, three major revolutions are occur in the Russian revolutions in Russia. First, 1905, the kings are recaptured the power in this revolution. Some internal problems are Russia withdraw the 1917. It can face the 1972 revolutions, October Revolution and February Revolution. February Revolution, Kerensky was captured the power. Just he had continued the 6 months or 6 years. Then after another person had come to the power in the society, Communist Party, there is a Bolshevik Party. One of the most important party key role played in the society of this Russian socialism. So now to read about what is the Lenin? Who is the Lenin? What is his greatness? Lenin was one of the most important ruler and the important leader in the Socialist Party. He was the son of one educationist. His brother was hanging by the government of Nicholas because he was planned to murder the Nicholas II. Some days ago, Lenin was escaped from the country to other. When he was returned the country, there are many peasants are welcome to him, and first he was joined the one socialist party in 1902. Then after 1903, he is one of the new party was established. That party was a Bolshevik party in 1903. Prepared people against the government, against the Nicholas rule. The party played key role in the society. Then he is addressing the people more actively, the change of the society. Very prominent role played in the Bolshevik party to the changing of the people, to promote the war or internal war and internal against the king's rules, Nicholas II. So he had come to the power after the revolution of the October Revolution. He had many change of the society and country. It's a large, bigly new changes. The name of Russia has all unions are including. It is a large empire. There is a USSR, Union of Soviet Socialist Republic, in 1924. Great ruler and a great scholar and a good communist leader of in the Russian society. He was the father of one of the Russian country. So he had dealt the many countries of the very good conditions and other politically and economically change of the society in the Russia is one of the history very important in his life. Then after he was died 19 24, who is the leader of the Communist Party? We are coming step by step. First of all, revolutions. Second, Vladimir Ilyich Lenin. Then October Revolution, February Revolution. October Revolution was captured power by the Lenin. February Revolution captured power by the Kerensky in the Society of the Russia. Then, after death of Lenin, who had come to the throne or seat in the power of the Russia? Then he is one of the great important person in the history of Russia. His name was Joseph Stalin. His name was Joseph Stalin. Great important person. He had participated in the Second World War. One of the great leader, good reformer, good administrator. In his period, Russia all over the sectors are very good implement and the good development of the Russian society. So, after the Lenin, Stalin was captured the power. He can take the power of the Communist Party leader, and he key role played in the Second World War also. He had come to this power. He had taken the 2 or more more reforms in the country. What is the reforms in the country? Why the need of the reform in the country? Because of more passions of feudalism. So, in this situation, Stalin started the reform. First is called a 5 years plan. It is a first attempt of the, nobody can continue to be taken the welfare of the people, the welfare of the peasants, but he had taken one step of that's called a 5 years plan. It is a well implemented in all aspects of the country sectors. For example, primary, secondary and tertiary sectors are all implemented by in his reforms is only by the Stalin. That is a 5-year plan. Second one, collective farms. So many peasants are, small peasants are there, banded laborers are there. So that is not a very critical, it is not a very conditions of on those days, but few people, they are robbing the landowners, other people are banded labor. So in this way same, collective farms means some peoples are to be taken a land of some land, vast lands to be cultivate the land in the country. It is also one of the benefit of the people, mainly banded labor or peasants, very important benefit of this collective farms. Big farms, big cultivations, and good productivity has come to in this reform of the land collective. So, Stalin was one of the great reformer, had taken the many changes in the country in all, for example, land ownership, scientifically and economically, country must be growth to development of the country. And mainly, Stalin was participating in his country Second World War. There are 3 important persons in the Second World War. The American President F.D. Roosevelt, Britain Prime Minister Winston Churchill, and Russian president of the Stalin. Three members are key role played in the World War. Then after Russia, very important development took a growth was secure in this administration and in his time. So, dear students, we read about the only important points of this chapter, first indexes only. What is we know about? What is revolution? What is world wars? What is the Bolshevik party? What is Socialist Party? When did he has come to the USSR, Russia? Who are the founder of the Russia? Who are the Bolshevik Party? What are the reforms of Stalin? We remaining these particularly one or two points we have gathered to write the examination easily to mind it in this one. One point is to be including all points are coming has come to the 4 points. For example, Bolshevik Party founded by Lenin. When did Lenin was died? 1924. When party was founded? 1903. Why his brother hanging by the government of Nicholas II? These are the main important aspects of this subject, and mainly first one sub-chapter is that one is the Stalin, two revolutions, February and March revolution, February and October revolutions are also important in this chapter. So, dear students, today I have given some small work of you. One is who is the founder of the Bolshevik Party? First question. What are the period of two world wars? First World War starting and ending, Second World War starting and ending. Who started the collective forms? Third question. Who are the important persons of the Second World War in the group of the one side of the European side? And also write about the few lines about the Lenin. These questions you read, you know about that. Almost all things we can't discuss about this in this line. So you read must be in the textbook, main important. Every student should see that textbook. All matter will be available there. We can't explain the more important portion of all of these chapters. So, what we have today, I say, what we have to teaching of this lesson to need of some books referred, which pages started sir and which pages are ending the sir. Then you see the textbook and read that, take the answering on these questions. Dear students, need for only to read of the book. The reading of the book is very important. We can't understanding of any listening or other to be taken. Just listening part is one of the important, but reading books is a very important. So all the students, I can remember just 1 mark questions are more important, 2 mark questions are important. All this 1 mark, 2 mark are including as 4 marks are coming in the future examinations. Today we have discussed what is the Lenin, what is the October Revolution, what is the 1905 Revolution. These know about something. All memory this one to prepare one tagline in the textbook also. Some of the time tagline are there to read and the searching of this one. We have very good luck in the future. Thank you and all. Thank you all.